Would you like to know how you can stretch an image in Photoshop without losing any pixel or the composition on it? Stay tuned. As we all know, once you stretch an image in Photoshop, you lose pixel and the photo starts to look a little weird. So let me teach you, let me help you out to see how you can stretch out your image without losing any of those details. The first thing we're going to do is open Photoshop, since we're going to be working with Photoshop today. As you see, I have this image right here which was taken in a portrait mode, which means it's vertical. I want to use it for a thumbnail for my YouTube video, and as we all know, thumbnails are horizontal. So let's do that in keeping all the composition and all the pixel of the photo intact. We're going to click the letter C to be able to go to a cropping tool. As you see, it's already vertical. So we're going to click the letter X to make it vertical. So if you stretch that image, as you see, you get a transparent background on it, which is our pixel, transparent pixel. But we want to be able to keep all that information right here that we are losing, or at least most of it. I want to crop it right here on my knees, and I still want to be able to get all those clear pixels in the photo looking good. So what we're gonna do is, once you have your ratio set and once you have the cropping that you want, you're gonna go to this right here. As you see, it says content aware. Once you click on it, it will automatically keep taking information from the photo and keep those pixels without stretching your image and without making the pixel look horrible. There's another option as well, that you can go on edit and you can go right here where it says content aware scale. That will do the same thing. The only thing is here you get a faster option, so you don't have to do all of that. So when we are set with our photos and it's looking how we want, we're gonna click on enter, okay? And as you see, voila, you kept all the information from the photo. And if you zoom in and you look at our model, which is me, it still look intact. It still look good. The pixels are still okay. You can fit it on the screen and you get that whole image horizontal without losing any pixels on your photos. And if you like this video, please leave a comment. You can like. If you want any specific video on any topic, don't hesitate to leave it on the comment and I will get to it. See ya later.